This video presents a technical comparison of 4 major large language models in a robotic arm coding challenge. Here are the 10 commands used for the evaluation. Move the robot arm up by 10 centimeters, then to the right by 10 centimeters. Create a blue box at position 0.3, 0.1, 0.05, and a red cylinder right next to it. Create a small green box in front of the robot, then pick it up and move it to the left side of the workspace. Create a large red box and a smaller blue box, then stack the blue box on top of the red one. Create 5 boxes, each with a different color, and arrange them in a straight horizontal line. Clear all objects from the scene. Then, add a conveyor belt and place a single yellow box on it. Open the gripper fully, wait for a moment, then close it to 50%. Create a red box. If the box is to the left of the robot's center, move it to the right side. Add a second robot to the scene. Make the first robot pick up a cylinder and place it in front of the second robot. Build a 3-level pyramid using boxes. The bottom layer should have one large red box, the middle layer a medium blue box, and the top a small green box. While GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet 4 showed strong planning, they were ultimately hindered by Python indentation errors in their final code. Gemini 2.5 Flash performed reliably, but the overall winner for code consistency and accuracy is Grok 4.